Lube oil filter. Lubricating oil system uses duplex filters where both the filters are in use. Filters are cleaned by blow-off during operation. Blow off one filter at a time. Partially block the oil flow to one filter and then increase the flow to normal. The oil flows back and cleans the filter element. Repeat the same procedure for the other filter. If the filter elements are clogged, blow-off is not effective. Clean the filter elements when not in operation. Isolate one side of the filter. Open the purge cock of the filter in use and ensure that oil flows through the filter. Open the purge cock of the filter which is not in use. Open the cover after the oil stops flowing and take out the filter element. The element is made of notched wire wound in the shape of a cage. The notch height depends on the rate of filtration. It is 50 microns. Clean the filter element and put it back with the cover. Change over slowly and purge the air from the filter housing.